क्या बताऊँ?
Ma'am, you are the brand ambassador of Peppy
मतलब
Jeans,
रीता
I
फैन,
guess.
रीता जीन्स है।
So, would you just tell us like आपका जो outfit है, this is also this is of Peppy itself, or?
Yeah, of course.
Okay.
Everything is Pepe, and I personally love the brand. I've also in my life the denims that I wear, and I guess so, and I'm totally a denims person. If you've seen me getting spotted in places, I'm actually someone who loves wearing comfortable, casual yet chic clothes. So I am totally a denim on denim, denim with like t-shirts, layering it up, jackets, denim skirts. I personally love denim, and I think it's a great brand. It's comfort plus style plus it's chic in its way, and yet it's young, yet it's trendy. So I like the whole aesthetics of the brand, and like we say, it's very Pepe.
Kriti, so what is your current fashion trend? One. Second part, how do you dress for events like these?
Like you see, I like being comfortable, but it's always nice to put things together. You can also put, like you can style the same thing in different ways.
Yeah.
So I am also a fan of layering. I like that this waistcoat has this nice shirt inside, which has some details on the sleeves, and pairing it up with another denim that looks of the same wash. So I think denim is something that doesn't go out of trend. The kind of denim changes. Sometimes we've had like boyfriend denims, we've had skinnies, which I hope never come back, and we've had एक time था जब ripped होते थे बहुत denims. Now that trend is a little gone.
Yeah.
So I think I like these days as well. I feel denim on denim is my all-time favorite in general, but I like layering a lot.
Okay.
I like putting like a little bit of a t-shirt inside, or maybe a sweatshirt as well, where you sneak it out a little bit. Layering shirts over t-shirts. So I personally like that.
You're born to
How long you have been associated with Pepe Jeans?
It's been what, less
8
than a
months.
year right now.
8
Yeah,
months.
8 months. Yeah.
Hi, Kriti. How are
Hello.
you?
Good. How are you doing?
I'm good. Thank you so much for asking. First of all, I'm a big fan. And
Thank you.
congratulations on the success of Dopatri.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
And so I wanted to ask, what was it like to do a double role?
Oh, these questions I answered very long back now. No, it was very exciting and challenging. Also, something that I had never done, especially in a film which was this intense, which spoke about a subject that was again very close to my heart. It's challenging when, especially in a film like this, there are about 70 to 80% of the scenes with yourself. That becomes tricky. Usually the films that I've seen in the past, at least made here, have had that बिछड़ जाते हैं फिर end में मिल जाते हैं, सबकी अलग अलग लाइफ चल रही होती है. यहाँ पे Soumya and Shelly were together like almost the whole of the time, throughout the film. And some really intense scenes to do with yourself get tricky. But I think that was what also made it very exciting for me as an actor, because it was something which I was really scared of, and I was like, I don't know how I'm going to be able to pull it off. So I like characters and roles that challenge you, because that's how you grow.
Okay, so regarding this, what character or characters that helped you grow as an actor?
I think in your journey, each and every film, at least मेरी कोशिश ये होती है that you're growing through every film, every experience that you have. Otherwise, there is no gain in your journey, So I whether it has been Bareli Ki Barfi, whether it's been Mimi, whether it's been Teri Baaton Mein, or Dopatri, Crew, I think all of them have somewhere, polished me and made me grow in some way.
मैडम तेरी बातों ने ऐसा उलझा दिया उस फिल्म के बाद, रैप जीन्स ने कितना सुलझाया उस बात को,
हाँ जी?
कितना कंफर्टेबल किया है रैप जीन्स ने. तेरी बातों ने उलझा दिया फिल्म,
हाँ.
रैप जीन्स ने कितना सुलझा दिया.
Pepe Jeans.
पेपे जीन्स ने
हाँ जी. आप काफी उलझे हुए हैं ऐसा.
Okay, what sort of message you want to give to the consumer?
To the consumers, I think
Yeah.
message is something you might want to talk about. What is?
We were very excited when we saw two of you. We said we have two brand ambassadors when we saw the film. But I think
Yeah, अभी एक और आएगी यहाँ पे. I'm kidding.
So I was taken by shock. I was like, no, but I think whatever has happened to the business since Kriti has come on board, we've been able to get a new customer on board with the massive fan base that she comes with. and not only in the metros but across the country. So that's a great plus for us. And we took up this challenge to grow women's wear as a business last year. And here's your catalyst to do that, and hopefully we keep pushing in the coming seasons as well. So she's been.
You know, I've recently shot for their next collection, honestly speaking. Every time we do a shoot, I'm like, oh my god, I love this piece, I love this outfit, I love this outfit. And I want to grab everything, but it's going to
Ma'am,
be
you've
out
gone through the
soon.
winter collection?
We've just, no, I mean, now we've shot the summer collection.
So we-
Winter to abhi
This is for.
ho gaya.
This comes 6 months later. So,
Haan. So we've recently shot for the next collection that's going to come up in the summers, and that's again, like, I loved every piece of it. So I hope you guys like it.
So what you liked most unique of it?
There were so many pieces. When it comes, I also love wearing, onesies, like one pieces. So they had jumpsuits, yeah. So they had this white colored, very, very comfortable but very chic looking jumpsuit. And there is some really interesting sleeve details in, like, slightly puffier sleeves, which just look very classy.
you'll see a lot of it in the coming 2 or 3 weeks.
I don't think I should say more.
Hi, Kriti, I'm Savani. I'm from Lifestyle Asia. So I have a few questions for you. One of them would be, what's Kriti's go-to main character? Thank you. What's Kriti's go-to main character outfit of 2025?
Main character outfit?
Yeah.
I think main character is an energy. Whatever outfit you wear, you can have the main character energy by the way you carry it.
Okay.
Whether you see me wearing absolutely like almost boyish clothes, like I wore at the airport
clothes,
today.
yeah.
Yeah, baggy jeans with like actually a menswear t-shirt with a shirt over it.
Okay.
But it's just the way you carry it. So I can
Correct.
switch from that to this, still feel comfortable, still feel like a main character.
Correct. And another question that I had was, if 2025 had a signature color for you, wardrobe, what would it be?
Signature color.
Yeah.
Tricky. But I think browns are sort of doing really well.
Uh-huh.
And it's sort of trendy. My stylist also happens to tell me that.
Yeah.
And I've been also sort of liking, different brown shades, I guess. So maybe brown.
So tell us your top picks from Pepe Jeans collection.
Top picks.
Yeah.
I mean, there are various
I think you'll
collections.
see them when they come
Yeah,
out.
I mean the new collection you must really watch out for it.
Okay.
In the current collection they also have some really cool jackets. There's also a leather jacket.
Yeah.
There's also a really nice denim skirt which is like long but it has a bit of a slit. And of course what I'm wearing is something that I absolutely love.
Yeah, of course. And one other last question would be, what's one trend that you veto for 2025? No expectations.
Sorry, one trend?
That you
Veto.
veto for.
Like I want it or I
Yeah,
don't
yeah.
want it?
Don't
Don't want it. I don't want it. I don't want skinny denims. I'm sorry, I keep saying it. I just don't like it.
It's out of the trend now.
Yeah, ना वो काफी टाइम से आउट है कि मेरे को बस डर लगता रहता है आ ना जाए वापस।
यहाँ कैसा लगा आपको? यहाँ कैसा फील कर रहे हैं?
यहाँ बहुत अच्छा फील आ रहा है। आप लोगों को कैसा आ रहा है?
Great. Thank you so
Okay,
much.
thank
It's not so cold na Delhi. I thought it would be colder. I'm actually coming to Delhi in maybe like 15-20 days for a film shoot. उसका announcement आज ही आया है. I don't know if you guys have seen it or not. So that film primarily is going to be shot in Delhi. So it's going to be really exciting to shoot in my hometown again.
ये काफी नए हैं।
Thank you.
One
Thank you.
second.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Madam,